All right, we're going to replace the air filter here on this Mila Air Purifier. The key is finding the part on the bottom that sticks out, the little white clip, and once you pull that out, it exposes the filter. So this filter is obviously pretty dirty. You can pull it out by this little tab here. Just be careful not to get dust everywhere, but it just comes out pretty easy. As you can see, it's pretty filthy. It's dirty on the bottom too, so I'll have to vacuum anyway after I do this. But there's different filters. We bought a different one here just because we couldn't find the same one, but it pushes in all the way here, and you'll hear a little click once you push it in all the way. And I'm just going to kind of wipe off the stuff here. If I had a wet paper towel, I would use that, but we'll just wipe it off. No big deal. There we go. Get all that off, and again, I'll vacuum once we're done here. But pretty simple. We'll take the plate back here and replace it. Again, it just clicks on this. There's little tabs on the sides. You have to line up as well, so get it situated a little bit and just kind of clip it in. Might have to make sure each side is lined up once you do that, but not too bad. We'll go ahead and just plug it back in and set it back up. And on the top, you'll see here it says calibration mode. It'll do that for about 3 to 4 minutes, and you'll be good to go. Hope this helps out, and subscribe if it helps.